In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts in your Shopify store. Imagine a simple yet powerful way to revamp your Shopify store's text appearance, making it not only catchier, but aligned perfectly with your brand's voice. In this tutorial, we will dive into the steps to change your font size, style, and color with ease, using nothing but the Shopify Theme Editor. First, let's start by accessing your Theme Editor. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin account. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you will find the Online Store option. Click on it, then navigate to Themes. Here, you'll see your current theme displayed with several action options. Look for the Customize button and give it a click. This action opens up the Theme Editor, where all the magic happens. Next, you'll want to navigate to the theme settings within the editor. Take a look at the left sidebar, where you'll likely find a section titled Theme Settings, often marked by a handy gear icon. Click on it, and this is where you'll find options pivotal to changing your store's typography and color scheme. Within the theme settings, locate the Typography and Colors sections. These are your primary tools for adjusting everything related to fonts and colors. Click on Typography first to change font styles and sizes. Then move to Colors to alter font colors to match your brand. Let's start with adjusting the font style, which is also known as the typeface. In the Typography section, you'll see various text elements such as headings and body text. To change the font for a particular text element, simply click on its font selection field. Shopify will present you with a range of available fonts to browse through, or you can search for a specific one to fit your style. Now, for tweaking the font size. Still in the Typography section, keep an eye out for sliders or input fields adjacent to the font selections. These are labeled in terms of size types like base size or heading size. Adjust these sliders or input your desired pixel size directly to modify how large or small your fonts appear. Moving on to font color adjustments, switch over to the Colors section. Here you'll find color pickers for varied text elements such as text, headings, and links. All you need to do is click on the color swatch next to the element you wish to change, and you'll see a palette from which you can choose a new color or even enter a specific color code if you have one in mind. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. After you've completed all your desired adjustments to the font settings, simply click the Save button located at the top right corner of the Theme Editor. This ensures that all your modifications are applied to your Shopify store for everyone to see. And there you have it. A simple but effective way to give your store a fresh look. Thank you for tuning in and happy designing.